All right, first up, new at 9, a scam alert. A local man says he got a call from what he thought was the state public health department. At least that's what showed up on caller ID.
Get this, they asked for his saliva. Our Tori Thornton is in the newsroom with details. And Tori, you talked to this guy today.
Yeah, I did, Byron Ellenise, and he's quite disturbed. He says he gets a number of robo calls and scam calls for money, but asking for his slobber, that's a first.
This is my humble abode. Glad y'all could come visit with me.
Anthony Singley lives the simple life.
And I love it here. Wouldn't trade it for anything.
The senior citizen retired to his boat home a few years ago. He fishes there and relaxes in the sun while enjoying the peacefulness of the waters.
I came down with cancer, and I had to sell my property in Washington County. I couldn't afford the trips back and forth. Moved down here to help my breathing and stuff like this.
So it's pretty surprising and concerning to Singley when he got a phone call from what he thought was the Alabama Department of Public Health or Medicare. He says they wanted to test his saliva to see if he'd get cancer.
I said, I'm already got cancer. But I said, if you're going to tell me I'm going to get more, I don't want to know.
Singley says the person he spoke to had a foreign accent he could barely understand, and they were very persistent and aggressive. Singley gave them his address for the swab kit.
They more or less told me I got to take it. That's the feeling that I got when they were talking to me. I have to take this test. Hey, I'm stubborn. They don't tell me what I got to do. I'm going to find somebody and find out why.
Singley says he immediately called the Better Business Bureau, who confirmed it was a scam. The BBB says this is an identity theft scam used to defraud Medicare. So we asked Singley to call the number again while we were there, and this is what happened.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service.
Singley hopes his story will serve as a warning to others.
If it helps one individual, if it stops them people over there, hey, I got news for you. I can't jump and I can't click my feet together, but I'll sure try.
And the BBB says folks shouldn't answer calls from numbers you don't recognize, and genetic tests can only be ordered by your doctor to be covered by Medicare. Live in the newsroom tonight, Tori Thornton, Fox 10 News.